Now the tan of any angle is given the sine of that angle divided by the cos of that angle. So if we want to get the tan of A plus B, we get the sine of A plus B and divide by the cos of A plus B. Now from previous videos, the sine of A plus B is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. The cos of A plus B is cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. Now we want tan of A plus B in terms of tan A and tan B. So we want to see terms like sine A over cos A appearing on top or underneath, and also things like sine B over cos B, because those terms are tan A and tan B. So we need to divide above and below by the same thing, so we end up with tan A and tan B in this expression. Actually, if we divide the top by cos A cos B, everything will lead to terms involving tan. But of course, if we divide the top by cos A cos B, we must divide underneath by cos A cos B. So we put sine A cos B over cos A cos B. And we put this next term over cos A cos B. And you can see the cos B's are cancelling and the cos A's cancel. So we've sine A over cos A, which of course is tan A. And we've sine B over cos B, which is tan B. Now we have to do the same underneath. Divide everything by cos A cos B. Actually, all of this cancels out here, so we get 1 here. And as for here, we sine A over cos A. Well, that's tan A. And we also have sine B over cos B. That's tan B. So we get tan A multiplied by tan B. So what do we end up with? On top here we have tan A plus tan B. And underneath we have 1 minus tan A tan B. So now we've written the tan of the compound angle A plus B in terms of the tan of the component angles A and B. Now what about tan A minus B? So I'll just stick a minus sign in here. And we've seen in previous videos that sine A minus B is sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. But cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sine A sine B. So again, we can divide above and below by cos A cos B. This plus sign will become a minus sign, and the plus sign down here, or the minus sign down here, is a plus sign. So we'll end up with tan A minus tan B over 1 plus tan A tan B. So I've written down tan A plus B and tan A minus B in a single expression here. So if we're taking the minus sign, we just change this plus to a minus. And we change this minus underneath to a plus. Now we could have arrived at the case for negative B a different way by using the fact that the tan of minus B, the tan of a minus angle, is, well, it's the sine of the negative angle divided by the cos of the negative angle. Or you could just look up what the tan of a negative angle is. But anyway, I'll just go through it this way. The sine of a negative angle, as we've seen several times before, is minus sine that angle. So sine minus B is minus sine B. The cos of minus B is just cos B. So you see we just get minus sine B over cos B. Well, that's just minus tan B. So we could have got tan A minus B from tan A plus B by replacing this B with minus B, and writing it like this: tan A plus minus B, and then use the first expression, but that's just with the plus sign up here and the minus sign down here, but replace B with minus B. So we put minus B in for B, and we'd have the tan of minus B here, and then we use the fact that tan of minus B is minus tan B, so this plus would become a minus. And similarly down here, the tan of minus B is minus tan B, so we have a minus times a minus. This minus here would become a plus.